which is asked in JEE. Let's see here. The locus of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the center of the ellipse x square plus 3y square equal to 6 on any point on it is dash. See here I am taking a ellipse here. This is the ellipse. See horizontal ellipse y I took here x square by 6 plus y square. If I divide by 6 here, 2 I will get is equal to 1. So it is a horizontal ellipse. It is clear. So he is saying that a tangent is drawn. Tangents are drawn. Okay. Tangents are drawn. When you draw perpendicular from the center of the ellipse to these tangents, all these locus you get, locus points. That is locus points are h comma k. Let us take the locus point is x comma k, h comma k, p h comma k. He is saying that if I draw here tangent, here tangent, here tangent, here tangent, I draw perpendicular to this. Then the foot of the perpendicular, okay, foot of the perpendicular is h comma k. So here these all foot of the perpendicular makes one thing, you have to find the equation of the ellipse. Equation of that locus points. So h comma k is you have taken this. So this is the normal, it is perpendicular line is the normal. So slope of normal is equal to 2 points are there, center is 0 comma 0 by 2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of the normal is k by h. Then slope of the tangent will be reverse reciprocal and minus sign. So minus sign reciprocal is h by k you get, not k by h by k. So you got equation of the tangent. See there are one point is there, to get the equation of the tangent we have the formula y is equal to mx plus under root of a square m square plus b square. Plus or minus or plus? Plus only, no? So y is equal to, here the slope I can write as minus h by k into x plus under root of a square is here, a square is equal to 6, b square is equal to 2. Substitute here 6 into minus h by k whole square plus b square is 2. So now what do you do here? Send this side, y plus h by k into x is equal to, I will get as under root of 6 into k square. If I take the LCM k square, so I get h square plus 2k square I will get. Okay, 2k square. Squaring on both sides if I do, I get a squaring on both sides, y plus h by k into x whole square is equal to, squaring on both sides 6h square plus 2k square divided by k, na? This is k, right? Not k square. K square, because the whole square is there. So you get here k square. So what I am getting here, this I am getting here 6h square plus 2k square, this one you got. So finally the equation will become, now if you simplify this, what I am going to get here, if you simplify, there we can use 2-3 methods. I can use this method, 2-3 methods we can do it. I will tell you another method also. This I can write as y plus h by k into x whole square is equal to into k square is equal to 6h square plus 2k square. Wherever h and k is there, replace x and y. So if you see this one, option A and C looking like, in that which is correct we have to identify. Looks like same, right? So here I can write as k square, this is a plus b whole square formula. So y square plus h square k square into x square plus 2 into a into h by k into x into whole square is equal to 6h square plus 2k square. Finally, this looks like which formula? So here y power 4 you will get. K I can replace with y, h I replace with x. So I get y power 4. Y power 4 plus here k square will cancel. I get h square x square. And here I get as what here? Okay, this goes inside k square, no? Right, already square we have done, right? We have done square. Y power 4, h square x square, and here I am going to get here 1k will be cancelled out, 2yh x into 1k you will get, right, is equal to 6h square plus 2k square. It looks like here y power 4, it looks like that y power 4 plus x power 4 plus 2x square y square is equal to 6x square plus 2y square. It means this looks like option C is the right answer. So tomorrow we are going to complete this chapter, okay, on ellipse and family of circle. Small 15 minutes chapter, 15 minutes topic is there. That is also tomorrow I will explain. So ellipse, circle, parabola, straight lines, pair of straight lines, all we have completed. Only hyperbola left in conic section. So that is, it will take 3 to 4 days. Then this chapter will finish. Okay, bye, take care.